Like GUBs, the Westcot beds are shipped in a tri-wall with a red label marked Westcot. These are a little more complex to assemble than the general use beds, mainly because of the design of the frame. However, assembly can still be completed by one person. To assemble the bed, first remove each bed from the tri-wall and unhook the clip located near the top of the bed. Place the bed flat on the floor and raise the leg portions toward the ceiling. Remove the mattress and place to the side of the bed. Note, the Westcot has 6 hinges, 2 on each end and 2 in the center. Secure the hinges by pushing down using preferably your foot, or if you choose to use your hands, it's a good idea to wear gloves to avoid scratches, cuts, or other accidental injuries. The Westcot is adjustable and is designed so that the frame and the bed are in 2 separate pieces. Before turning the bed over, grab both sections and hold them together. Attach the mattress by securing the velcro straps to the frame. Be careful not to secure the strap to the lower portion of the frame, because this will impede your ability to lift the head and foot sections of the bed. The head portion of the bed can be moved to multiple positions and is equipped with a safety cord. The foot portion of the bed can be elevated by lifting it and extending the 2 plastic arms located under the frame. Fully extend both arms and place them on the bottom frame. The 2-piece IV poles are located on the end of each leg portion of the bed. Snap the 2 pieces together to complete assembly. Once assembled, the IV pole can be attached to either side of the head section of the bed frame.